So this cat name is Gilver. He's got a bird, and well, he was carrying it around, and now he's finally set it down. And we don't want to go too close. Well, actually, we can because it's not alive and it won't fly away. So it's playing with a dead bird. Let's just observe this real quick.
Whoa. Hey guys.
This is really sad. With MLG Mario, Nate Geometry,
Well, I'm gonna change
and this kid.
His name is Harrison. Hey,
Yeah.
Wait, point the camera at me.
Harry.
Hey.
And this
I'm
one.
gonna change my YouTube channel name.
This little boy, and this little boy too.
I'm not little, you idiot.
Well, you're a little boy. So there's the bird right there. Sorry if this is really graphic, but I had to record this.
We have graphic content on
this
this video.
this cat. He got a rabbit earlier, and we distracted him and let him set the rabbit free. The rabbit was still alive, so it escaped.
I wonder what happened to the
Getting
rabbit.
the bird. And now he's just playing with his new friend. This is terrible.
This is graphic.
So he's playing with his new buddy, and yeah, that's all. Bye.